keep coming straight back. Steady now. All right, hold it right there. Easy now, keep moving. Go on, let's go.
Keep moving, let's go. Push them through, easy now.
All green across the board for the intake phase.
Excellent. The herd batches are moving faster than projected.
She's crossing the threshold now. The limb alignment looks perfect.
Confirmed. Activating the energy field sequence.
It's approved. First class material.
Confirmed. Logging the data now.
All indicators are well within the premium range.
The system verification is complete. The bull is in perfect health. Sync in progress. Synchronization confirmed. All batches online.
Reroute Sector Gamma immediately.
Confirmed. Aligning the relays now. Initiating sequence.
Get on up there. Move along now.
tumbling chamber rotates quickly, thoroughly treating the hides. The process ensures the leather will be soft and durable.
The wet hides are laid flat and transferred to a long, heated, drying static insertion zone. More like
The whole hide is displayed in all its scale, showing the natural shape and minimal flaws. It travels toward the finishing and coloring department.
The color saturation is perfect on this side.
Yes, the dye lot matches the sample exactly.
Look closely at this section here. The grain pattern is slightly off.
Yes, I confirm the defect near the edge.
Check the stitching right here before you zip it up. Looks good. They're ready for inspection.
The mold opens, revealing a perfectly shaped, dense, white foam cushion. This supportive core will be wrapped in the premium red leather.
The heat application removes any remaining wrinkles, leaving a perfectly taut and smooth surface.
The diagram specifies the yellow harness connects to the motor unit next.
Got it. I'll secure this bundle first before we finalize the screen connection.
Laser alignment confirmed.
Secure the mount, position 4.
Torque applied. Green status.
The view tracks backwards through the entryway, highlighting the spacious legroom and premium finishes.
Welcome aboard. We are ready for an on-time departure. Please ensure all carry-on luggage is stowed securely.